Guys, how you doing? Welcome back to another Cardano video. Today I thought we might actually look at a little bit, what's happening in the long term on Cardano and where we are right now. Now, as you see right now, Cardano is down -2%. Bitcoin is down a little bit. Everybody is like shaking, oh, is it over just yet? No, it's not over, guys. It's not over. So look here, guys. What do we have over here? The line over here represents the accumulation zone down below us. And like we said previously, we are out of that accumulation zone, and right now we're trying to break through and continue higher up here into this mass of resistance up here between $1 and $1.3 give or take, and eventually break that and even go higher than that. Now, it is not so important how much this is going to go towards upside or not. The question is where the resistance is on the indicator. So I thought we might look a little bit on indicators today. This down here is what's called a rubber band indicator, also known as RSI. Now, what you're gonna see here is the previous bull market. Previous bull market over here, the RSI came pretty high, especially on this move up here. And even after that move, it continued higher up here. It was still keeping these 90 levels up here towards upside. Even it made even higher high, but it was closing towards downside. So these levels up here at the top, these are what we call overextended levels towards upside on RSI. Now what you're gonna see over here is we are nowhere close to these 90 levels, and oftentimes we are looking for these 90 levels to figure out where the top is somewhere close. It doesn't have to be top, but it could be close. It could be ranging at those levels and pulling back and then continuing under another move towards upside. But this is monthly time frame, so this is a very, very big time frame. So by the time you get to these 90 levels up here towards top, it's pretty much over, right? And you can see right now we are not even close to them. Not only that, what you can see over here is that right now we are just at the part right over here where we are actually supposed to go towards upside. So we are just pulling up here into this move, consolidating. We are just before the big move towards upside over here, right? So this move up here is going to get us to 90 levels on the RSI. We are just before that, because previously also as well, around 50k levels, as soon as we brought these 50k levels on the RSI, we actually exploded towards upside. And right now we are expecting the same kind of thing, explosion towards upside. Now how high this is going to go, don't take these these arrows too seriously, but what only matters right now when it comes to the Cardano is that we are not at the 90 levels, right? So it looks good, it looks very, very nice. On the other hand, not on the other hand, but another point up here is that on the monthly time frame, this is what we call a MACD indicator. These two indicators, the RSI and MACD, are the two most used indicators in the technical analysis. And over here, what you're gonna see is that right over here, we got what we call a bullish cross on the chart. So this blue line crosses the orange line. This is actually very bullish, and then it goes towards the upside. Now we are not where I actually would like us to be just yet, and you're gonna see that. And at one point, this will start going very fast towards the upside, and we're gonna be at those levels. Now, what's happening up here is actually we got a bullish cross, and what's happening up here is that we have been trending towards downside while losing momentum, and over here right now we're going towards upside while gaining momentum. This is actually a very, very bullish momentum chart on the monthly time frame. Now what I want to see for the big moves, and I'm saying big moves and I really mean big moves, is for this orange line, not the blue line, but orange line, to cross above the zero line. This over here in the middle, that's called zero line. It's only when you cross back above the zero line up here that you become extremely bullish. So I'm thinking right now this might actually continue a little bit more towards the upside. This might increase the speed, and at one point this will cross the zero line, and that's the when we are getting this blow off tops and stuff like that. Now this is far into the future just yet. This is 2025 up here, give or take, so it has time to do this move towards the upside up here, but we are still below the zero line. We just got a bullish cross. We just did this first move out of the accumulation zone up here. Right now we're trying to break the resistance level up here towards the upside. So in the long term, even though with all these dumps down 2%, 5%, 10%, there are gonna be bigger dumps, even maybe 20% dumps. I mean, these dumps over here on the monthly time frame, there was 30% dumps, and it had a couple of these before it actually went higher. This is a 40% move over here. This bigger one up here pulled back something like 30% pullback towards the downside. This one up here went all the way down to 47%, 50% move down, and it still managed to get a higher high eventually towards the upside up here, right? So So this looks very good. So will we get these, you know, 40% moves towards downside? Eventually there will definitely be that, but I think these big moves, these big 40% moves towards downside, are gonna come a little bit higher. Now we already had a 30% move. Maybe people do not realize it, but over here we had a 34% move on Cardano already. There was already a 30-40% move towards downside. It will happen, but you gotta have, you know, remember that we are right now not overextended. We are not you know, at these 90k levels. The momentum down here on the momentum chart on MACD does look very, very nice. The momentum is building up. It is just starting going towards upside. Bullish growth up here. We only need to break this, you know, midline up here, so there is definitely bullishness coming in. So everything looks nice. So, you know, bigger terms, it's good. Guys, thank you for stopping by. By the way, we got a public TA channel, public TF fans club channel. You might want to check out Telegram channel, the link down below in the comments. We also got a private Telegram channel if you want to be blue balls, you know, for the guys that have been here for a while. You know, we have a private Telegram channel. You can also join that, link down below. You know, we've been buying down at 20k, 15k and stuff like that, so if you want to join that part of the group, do that. Anyways guys, thanks for stopping by. I'll make another video another time when something interesting happens. Bye bye.